Hello children, I, your very own Kahani Wali Nani, wish you all a very happy Holi. Children, Holi is one of the important festivals celebrated in India. It is a symbol of victory of the good over the evil. And just as Diwali is a festival of lights, Holi is a festival of colors. And I know it is one of the favorite festivals of children. You all wait eagerly to play with colors. And children, there are some people who really don't like playing with colors. But yes, their friends do put colors on them and then say, Holi hai bhai, Holi hai, Purana mano, Holi hai. That is, don't get angry. This is the festival of Holi, a festival of colors. Enjoy. And today, I, Kahani Wali Nani, have come with such one story about Holi. And the Holi is Motu Ram and Holi. Children, to hear more such interesting stories, subscribe to my YouTube channel of Kahani Wali Nani and also click on the bell icon to keep receiving notifications of new stories. Also, like and share the stories. And now, listen to the wonderful story Motu Ram and Holi. Children, this is a story of a wrestler, a Pahalwan, Motu Ram, who lived in a small town of Kishangarh. This Motu Ram lived all alone. And he really loved children, but he had a very strange nature. He was very fond of sweets. Anything he liked in this world the most, that was laddus. Motu Ram was obsessive about sweets. He did not like only one thing, that is to play Holi. One day, Motu Ram was sitting in the garden. Just then, he saw some children playing with water and balloons. And he exclaimed, Oh, I forgot, tomorrow is Holi. Now, like every year, these children will try to put colors on me. And I don't like colors, so I will have to do something to stop them putting colors on me. And just then, what happened? A water filled balloon burst near Motu Ram's feet. Motu Ram looked around, and yes, before Motu Ram could get up and say anything, another balloon burst near him. Now Motu Ram became very furious. He looked around to see from where this balloon came, and he saw some children and angrily walked towards them. He shouted, Who threw these balloons? Mind you, don't do it again. Now, seeing Motu Ram shouting, all the children got scared. They just kept quiet, did not utter even a single word. But then what happened? One of the boys, Vivan, he came forward and said, Hello, uncle. Uncle, how strange. We are so scared. It was only a water balloon and I threw them. Uncle, Holi is tomorrow and tomorrow we will play with colors. And yes, I am going to put color on you. Motu Ram was very angry. He shouted again, Who are you? I think you are new to this colony. I have never seen you earlier. And yes, I'm sure you don't know that I don't like playing with colors. So keep away from me tomorrow. Mind you. Vivan started laughing. Oh, uncle, it's such fun playing with colors. And yes, wait and watch. Tomorrow I'm going to play Holi with you. I'm surely going to put color on you. Motu Ram began thinking, Oh, this boy is challenging me. I will have to tackle him in a different manner. He seems to be very adamant. Moturam said, "Okay, so you are planning to throw color on me tomorrow? Okay, I challenge you. If you color me tomorrow, I will give laddus to all children. But in case you are not successful, then what will happen? You have to give me a box full of laddus. And yes, after that, nobody of you will try to play holy with me anytime. Okay? So, do you accept this?" Hearing this, Vivan became happy. He said, "Yes, uncle, I accept your challenge. We will see tomorrow." Now Moturam said, "Fine. So, children, be ready with a box of laddus for me." And he proceeded home. After that, all the children said, "Vivan, you don't know Moturam uncle. Every year we try different ways to put color on Moturam uncle but have not succeeded even once. Surely you are going to lose the challenge tomorrow." Ivan said, "No, no, you don't know me. See, tomorrow we all will have laddus from Uncle Moturam. And see, I have a plan." And he whispered his plan to all of them. Now, that night, while lying down, Moturam thought, "Oh, this boy seems to be very clever, very confident. I must be extra careful this time. The best thing is that I will remain home tomorrow, not go out, and this way Vivan will not be able to put color on me, and then I will win the challenge and the box full of laddus will be mine." And thinking about the laddus, the sweet, sweet laddus, he was fast asleep. Now, about midnight, Moturam felt that there was a knock at the door. He was wondering, "Oh, am I dreaming or is there a knock?" And again he heard someone knocking at the door. He said, "Oh, so late at night, who has come?" He got up, slowly opened the window. There was a person standing. And what did that person say? "Hello, can I have a cup of masala tea?" Moturam was surprised. "What? Masala tea at night? And see, this is not a tea stall but my house. Go away, disturbing me in my sleep." And he quickly closed the window and went back to sleep. Again, round about 3 o'clock, there was a knock at the door. Once, twice, thrice, Moturam got up. "Oh, it is 3 o'clock at night. Who has come now?" He carefully, slowly opened the window. And there was again a person standing, fully covered with blanket. It was winter season, cold. He said, "Hello, uncle. We want masala tea along with biscuits. And here is the money." Moturam rubbed his eyes and said, "What did you say? Masala tea? What do you think? This is a tea stall. I sell tea and biscuits. Are you mad? This is my house and stay here. Why are you disturbing me in my sleep? Go away. This is not a tea stall and do not come here again." He banged the door with a noise and went to sleep. Now, just it was dawn. There was a knock again. Now, this time Moturam got up angrily. "Oh, not again. These mad people will not let me sleep." He opened the window and shouted, "What do you want?" Now, two men were there. They said, "Sir, could you run a tea stall that is day and night? In this cold weather, it is very helpful. Can we please have 2 cups of hot tea?" Motu Ram was red with anger. It seems you got the wrong information. I do not serve tea. This is not a tea stall, but my house. Understand? Now, one of them said, if this is not a tea stall, then why have you put up this big board? Motu Ram said, what? A board? Where? Here outside, said one of them. And Motu Ram said, wait, let me come and see. He immediately came out and was surprised to see a board. And what was written on the board? Motu Ram's tea stall, open day and night, serves delicious tea with biscuits and toast. Motu Ram went in the house. He went inside the house. What did he bring? A big stick, and hit on the board to break it. And just then what happened, children? Do you know? Motu Ram was all drenched with colorful water. He shouted, hey, hey, what's this? And just then who came? Vivan. And he splashed color on Motu Ram and shouted, होली है अंकल, होली है, बुरा न मानो, होली है. Seeing Vivan and fully covered with colors, Motu Ram was spellbound. He couldn't utter a word for a moment. And then he realized what? That Vivan had won the challenge. He had put color on him. Was Motu Ram sad or angry with Vivan? No. He had a good nature. He said, oh, Viman, you have won, and he hugged him. And he also took some color from Vivan and put it on his cheeks and said, Holi hai bhai, holi hai, pura na mano, holi hai. Now the other children were hiding behind the tree. When they heard this, they all came out and started splashing water and colors on Motu Ram and said, Uncle, holi hai, bhai, holi hai, pura na mano, holi hai. And then everyone, even Motu Ram, played with colors. And then dancing and singing, they were enjoying. And then children said, okay, bye, uncle. He said, wait. And Motu Ram went inside the house. And he brought a box of laddus and gave them to the children, saying, Holi hai bhai, holi hai, laddu khao, laddu khao. And then everyone clapped their hands with joy. So children, was not that a funny story? How did you like it? And we'll meet you again next week with another story. Till then, goodbye. Take care.